This is presentation number 2, Elements of Environmental Management, presented by Lindsay Harden for Environmental Management 501 on January 21st, 2018. Today I will discuss the key elements of the Environmental Management Plan for a community garden in Greenville, North Carolina. The stakeholder groups will consist of community members, ECU college students, community organizers, local gardeners, along with grassroots organizations like NCCGP, local food banks, as well as local church organizations. The vision statement is: local community members and college students will work together to create a sustainable food system while maintaining a green space that will provide recreational opportunities for the community. The first goal would be to improve local food access and food security. The first objective for this would be to have 20 members participate by the end of the first year. The second objective would to be raise awareness by passing out 500 advertisement flyers in the surrounding area. The second goal would be to provide opportunities for positive social interaction and recreation. This first objective for this goal would be Community Garden will host one event monthly for social groups to interact. For example, music festival or snack sampling, meet and greet for new members monthly. The second objective for this goal would be Community Garden members will attend and participate in community activities like local parades and festivals, and also set up an information booth about this new green space. The third goal would be to educate the community on nutrition and gardening. This would be done through the first objective, which is that garden members will visit local schools twice a year to provide children with an educational program about the benefits of having this green space. The second objective would be to pass out 200 door-to-door surveys that will be administered yearly to evaluate local knowledge on gardening and track the improvement on a yearly basis. And this concludes my presentation.